Let's see how to turn off compatibility mode in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document that is currently in compatibility mode. So what you can do to turn off compatibility mode is head on over to the File tab. Now click on Info, and you'll see that compatibility mode is highlighted, meaning that your Word document is currently in an older version of a file. So to turn off compatibility mode, simply click on Convert, and that will upgrade your file to its newest format. Now click on OK, and you'll see that your file is no longer in compatibility mode as indicated here by the title. And that is how you turn off compatibility mode in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.